Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Daily Investor. It's the 20th of February 2025, and it's about 8 o'clock here in London, and I'm about to do my investment of the day. Going forward, I'm just going to be doing one investment every day. I tried to do three investments, but because I've just started a new job, it's becoming very difficult. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do one investment for the day for the foreseeable future, and maybe once things settle down at work, I'll probably be doing two or three investments per day. But for anyone who's new to my channel is all about long-term investing. My goal is to build my portfolio up to $1 million. I'm investing in three stocks: Tesla, MicroStrategy, and NVIDIA. And my investment horizon is between 5 and 10 years. So anything that I buy now, I'm going to keep for at least 5 years. Also, what the way I invest is I invest through my individual savings account, which is an ISA in the UK. So any money that I invest in an ISA is free of capital gains tax. So any gain that I make won't be taxable, which is a bonus for me. So before we get into it, let's have a look at the portfolio. So my general investment account at the moment is just under 85, just over 84,000. My stocks and shares ISA is just under 14,000, and my self-invested personal pension is just under 1,000. At its peak, my general investment account was around 120,000, and right at the bottom, the lowest point was around 56,000, something like that. So it fluctuates quite a lot. There is a lot of volatility, but like I keep on saying, I'm prepared for the volatility. Previously, when I invested in really good companies like Apple, Google, Facebook, I used to make a little bit of profit and then sell it. But if I kept it over the long term through the volatility, I would have made a lot big profit now. So I'm going to be learning from my mistakes, and I'm going to be investing for the long term. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be deploying £300 into the stock market, and I'm going to split it between Tesla, MicroStrategy, and NVIDIA. The reason I'm buying Tesla is simple. I really believe in this company. I believe in what they're doing. Some of the products that they're coming up with are really good, like robo-taxi, the robotics, artificial intelligence. So they're making big progress into high growth areas, which is the reason I'm buying this. MicroStrategy, the reason I'm buying MicroStrategy is because they have a large holding in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is probably going to increase in the future, most likely. And in the past, I've bought a lot of Bitcoin but sold it, and had I kept it, again, I would have made a lot of money. But because my mindset was really get rich quick, I didn't really, think over the long term, which if I did and kept what I bought, I would have had a lot of money by now. So Nvidia, I think it's going to be a great company because they're the best chip makers at the moment, and with this artificial intelligence boom, more and more people are going to need the GPU. So these three companies are the companies that I invest in. I don't invest in them equally. I invest most of the money into Tesla, then MicroStrategy, and then Nvidia. This proportion might change, but at the moment it's mostly going into Tesla, then MicroStrategy, and then Nvidia. So I'm gonna invest right now. So I'm gonna go into Tesla, the stock. Let's have a look at what's happening today. So the daily change is just under, so it's down about 2%, 1.66%. Last 7 days is up 2.43. Last month down 14, nearly 14%. Last 3 months it's been flat. Last 6 months is up about 66%. Year to date up 82%. So it's very volatile. My price target for Tesla is $1,000 over 5 years. So I don't mind it staying at 354 or going even lower, because it gives me the opportunity to buy more shares at a lower price. So I'm going to go ahead and buy it now. So I'm going to be buying £210 in Tesla. I'm going to be reviewing the order. I'm going to confirm the buy. Hopefully it's going to go through today quickly. Okay, so that's done. Now, my next stock that I'm going to buy is MicroStrategy. So again, the reason for me buying MicroStrategy is they have a very, very large holding in Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin goes up, then obviously MicroStrategy will go up. So let's have a look at what's happening today. So today it's up about 1.71%. Last 7 days it's been flat. Last month it's down around 15%. Last 3 months down around 23%. Last 6 months up 120%. Last year up 381%. Last 5 years up over 2000%. So that's when I bought it previously. I had a very large holding in MicroStrategy about 5 years ago. So if I kept it, obviously I would have made a lot of money. But again, I'm learning from my mistakes, and I'm going to be buying and holding over the long term, at least 5 years. So I'm going to buy MicroStrategy now. I'm going to be buying £60 worth of MicroStrategy. So I'm going to confirm the buy. Sending the order through. And that buy order is complete now. So that's done. And now the next company that I'm going to be buying is NVIDIA. So NVIDIA, let's have a look at what's happening today with NVIDIA. It's $139 today, up about half a percentage point. Last 7 days, up nearly 6%. Last month, it's been flat. Last 3 months, again flat. Last 6 months, up 10%. Last 1 year, up 100%. Maximum over 5 years, 2000%. So again, I had NVIDIA just after the pandemic. I bought a substantial amount, but again, what I did is I sold it at a profit. If I kept it, it would have made a lot of money. So obviously, again, I believe in this company. I believe in what they're doing. So I'm going to slowly be easing myself into this position. So I'm going to be buying £30 worth of NVIDIA stock. I'm going to review the order, confirm the buy. Okay, so that's gone through. So that's my investment for the day. So if you're watching these videos, if you're enjoying it, like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions at all, leave the questions in the comment section and I will give you detailed response. If you want to know about my setup, how I make my money, how I invest my money, what my investment horizon is. If you want to ask any question at all, I'll give you detailed responses. At the moment, I have 1,000 subscribers, so thank you very much. I'm trying to grow this channel to 2,000 by the end of the year. So join me on my journey. Join me, build up your investment habits, build up a daily investment habits. You don't have to invest £300 every day. You can just start by £1 a day and then slowly build up. Once you build up that conviction, once you build up that momentum, you'll start earning more money and investing more money for your future. So you could be investing in your ISA. If you're in the UK, you could be investing in an ISA. You could be investing in a SIP, and then you'd get tax benefits and tax advantages from that. And this would be for the long term as well. So yeah, join me on my journey. See if I can build this into a $1 million portfolio by 5 years. If I can do it earlier, that's even better. But I'm gonna keep on pumping and deploying money into the stock market, buying these 3 companies, putting the money through my ISA and my SIP, and then hopefully I can achieve my goal. So that's it for today. Join me tomorrow when I invest another £300. Have a great evening. Take care. Bye.